All right, got another big dent here to do on a vintage classic BMW wagon. These are kind of cool. You don't see these around anymore. Nice wagon. And this guy got rubbed up against a pole. So that's what I'm going to fix right now. So a perfect candidate for paintless dent repair. What you look for on these as a technician is you want to make sure that lip right there isn't really kinked really bad, and it's not towards the bumper on that in this area, which is really tough. This is a good one, and this will turn out fine. These body lines have some good memory, so they actually come back out. All right, thanks for watching. Let's get it done. Finished with this BMW wagon, rubbed up against a pole, and we took this dent out and it is gone. Came out really nice. Customer super happy. Didn't have to go to the body shop and get that all repainted, because remember, they have to paint the hood whenever they paint the fender and blend the whole thing. This is preserving the factory finish on this vehicle as if it really never happened. There you go. Paintless dent removal. Can remove dents from cars without having to paint. All right. Well, thanks for watching. This is Sal from the YouTube channel Dent Experts, fixing another dent using paintless dent repair.